Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I am a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stocks of USA, UK and Canada, and I also upload my daily analysis on the important Forex currency pairs including Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. And sorry for not having a professional setup. I'm just doing this video from the comfort of my home. Okay. So this analysis is for today, 25th Feb 2021 only, Thursday. Okay. So tomorrow I'll be coming down again with tomorrow's analysis, but this analysis is for Thursday only. Okay. Okay. Right now we can see on the screen that it's trading at 0.9975, and you can see on the screen that I have marked down two levels, just like yesterday. Those levels are still valid. Okay. Market is still in this range only. Okay. So we just need to wait till market crosses the 0.99 9988 or double triple 90 level on the bottom 9937 level. This is the zone for market. Okay. If market goes to this level, and if market show you some reversal sign from above like this, okay, and if market fails to breaks this level and starts coming down, then you can also short the market for 20-30 pips. Okay. In case market open crosses this level, okay, market successfully crosses this level, then it's a breakout, then you can go ahead and place the buy order. That will be the best position to buy. Okay, you can buy away after waiting for 1 hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour. Okay, let the market sustain above the resistance level for some time. Okay, let this resistance become the support. Okay, or if you follow a pullback strategy, that's completely up to you. But this should be your zone for the day. Okay, if market reverses from here, if you got a risk appetite, you can short the market for 20-30 pips. If just otherwise, just wait for market to cross this resistance level of 0.990. Okay, 998 or 990. This is your wait in watch. Otherwise, I'll say that right now market is in zone, so you should not go ahead and wait. Okay, if market comes down, okay, if market comes down to this level 9937 level and market bounces from here, then also you can buy for 20-30 pips. Okay, in case you spot reversal from that level, okay, this level, I mean this level 9937 level. So these two are the important levels for the day: 0.990, 0.9937. These two are the important levels for the day. If market goes up, wait for the market to cross the resistance, then go ahead and place the buy order. And if it bounces from here also, then you can place the buy order if it gets the support of volume. Okay, price reversal or rejection is important. This kind of confirmation is important before placing the buy order. Okay, so this is the analysis for Thursday 25th Feb 2021. Okay, hopefully you will have understood what you need to do. So that is the if you liked the video and found the video informative, please like my the video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. uh, Thank you so much and good luck. I do not get time to edit the videos, so I'll be just simply uploading the video. Thank you so much. I'll be coming down again tomorrow with tomorrow's analysis. Thank you so much.